CSS3 Pseudo classes are used to add special effects to some selectors. You do not need to use JavaScript or any other script to use those effects. Syntax for simple pseudo classes is selector, pseudo class, bracket, properties and selector, like here I have shown. The most common pseudo classes are link, visited, hover, first child, etc. Link pseudo class is used to add styles to unvisited links. Visited is used to add styles to visited links, and so on. Here I have shown Here I have written three links: example 1, example 2, example 3, and here I have written different pseudo classes with each pseudo class changing the color of the link. As I have already visited the example 1 link, it shows yellow in color. The text is in yellow. But I have not visited example 2 and example 3, so it shows text is red in color. And if we just click on any one of them, hold, we can see the color changes to the black. That's the active pseudo class. This need not to be used only for links. It can be used for other tags and classes. Here I have used for class A. As you can see, I have declared a div class SA and written 2 headings under it. And for the CSS style, I have changed the background color whenever mouse user hovers over it. As you can see here, the background color is changing to green. First child pseudo class. First child pseudo class is used to add styles to some element that is first child of another element. As you can see here, I have put how are you and great both in I tag whose parent tag is P. And if I have added styles using first child pseudo class to change the color property to blue. Let me just refresh it. As you can see, the color of how are you is changed to blue, but color of great is still remains black as we have used first child pseudo class. Lang pseudo class is to specify a language to be used. This class is used for multiple languages which have different conventions. As you can see here, I have declared 3 Q tags inside a P tag. If the first Q tag is without any attribute, in the second Q tag, lang attribute is set to S, and in the third Q tag, lang attribute is set to Z. Let's go to the CSS styles. Here I have set for lang attribute S, the quotes will be replaced with the straight lines, and for the lang attribute Z, quotes will be equal to simple dashes. Now just let me save this and refresh. Here you can see that the first Q tag where there were no attributes, it is in normal inverted commas. The second Q tag where lang was equal to 0, you can see inverted commas have been replaced with the straight lines. And in the third Q tag, as you can see, inverted commas are replaced with dashes. Okay, that's all for CSS pseudo classes. Thank you.